Discover the skies with the new professional L106 drone, available in two versatile versions, the L106 Max with a standard remote control and the L106-1 featuring a screen remote control and integrated GPS. Both models boast an impressive 8K HD camera, powerful brushless motors, and 5G FPV capabilities, making them excellent choices for children and adults seeking a capable and fun aerial companion. Two versions, tailored experiences. The L106 series offers flexibility to suit different preferences. The L106 Max provides a robust flying experience with its standard remote control, ideal for those who prefer a traditional setup. For pilots seeking enhanced features and precision, the L106-1 steps up with a screen remote control for direct FPV viewing and integrated GPS for advanced flight stability and intelligent functions. Stunning 8K HD camera and immersive 5G FPV. Both versions of the L106 drone are equipped with an impressive 8K HD camera, promising incredibly sharp and detailed photos and videos from above. Experience immersive, real-time views directly through the 5G FPV system. The drone boasts an exceptional Wi-Fi image transmission distance of 3000 m, ensuring clear and consistent real-time video feeds over long ranges. With a frame rate of 25 frames per second, the video transmission is smooth enough for enjoyable FPV flying and recording. Powerful brushless motor and extended range. At the heart of the L106 drone's robust performance is its 1503 brushless motor. Brushless motors are renowned for their superior power, greater efficiency, and longer service life compared to traditional motors, ensuring more stable flight and enhanced durability. Powered by a 3.7V 2000 mAh smart lithium battery, the drone offers a solid about 20 minutes of flight time, allowing for extended aerial explorations. The impressive 3 km remote control distance gives you vast range for exploration and capturing expansive aerial views. Charging the drone battery takes approximately 2 hours via USB. GPS precision, L106-1, and stable flight. The L106-1 version benefits from integrated GPS, providing accurate positioning details. While specific GPS functions like return to home are not explicitly listed, GPS capability typically enables such features, enhancing safety and ease of use. Both L106 Max and L106-1 models are designed for stable flight, suitable for various conditions. The drone can reach a flight altitude of 300 m. User-friendly controls and portability. The L106 drones are designed to be user-friendly, making them suitable for children and beginners. The compact, mini drone size makes them easy to carry. The remote control for both versions is powered by a 3.7V 350 mAh battery, which charges in about 1 hour and provides approximately 3 hours of endurance. The L106 drone series offers a compelling blend of high-resolution 8K camera capabilities, powerful brushless motors, extensive range, and user-friendly features. Whether you choose the standard L106 Max or the GPS-enabled L106-1 with screen control, these drones are excellent choices for capturing aerial content and enjoying an exciting flight experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews.